Hello everybody, I'm Buzz and I would like to do a review today of the Maximum Vapors Slim Variable Voltage Woodie. It's a wood box, mod box. This one is quilted big leaf maple. It's nice looking mod. It has Coca-Cola wood ends. If you've seen my other review, this is a match to it, a smaller version. And I threw a Finiac wood veneered tank on it with a simulated plastic wood grip tip. Anyway, let's see. First of all, I'd like to say that I was given this product strictly for review purposes, and but that doesn't affect my opinion of it and reporting to you how the device works. Okay, since it was given to me, and here I can show you why. This was probably a mod that was unsellable to them once they got it done. Let me point out the flaws to it right off the bat, and I can show you that. Okay, see the, let's see, let me put that. See, there's a fairly decent sized crack that runs with the lid. It doesn't fit up real nice like the wood box that I bought from the Fat Max, and so it's not much. I mean, with you can kind of adjust a crack in the middle, and you can see a little bit, but it's not bad. I mean, but it's not perfect either. And here was this couple more little issues with it. It wasn't made quite right. The batteries were they didn't fit in there very well, so I threw some battery spacers. And see, there's like some kind of sponge material or something. It's kind of hard. I'm not exactly sure what it is, but anyway, it's just to space out your batteries so they don't rattle around inside there and lose connection and everything. But see, the battery connections are in the middle, but the batteries are pushed off to the side so they stay steady. So they don't quite line up with the connectors. They do work, but they're not exactly like you think they ought to be. So my guess is that is why I received this product for review purposes. Okay, front side of it, just really nice wood craftsmanship. I mean, if you bought one, I'm sure the lid would line up nice inside, and on the back side to access to put your batteries and to change the voltage. And they just do such a great job of craftsmanship on these things. Just really impressed. Okay, it uses Evercool circuitry, which gives you a 98% efficiency rating on the use of your batteries. And I don't know, we'll compare it to it uses 16 340s, so we'll compare it to a VMAX. There's a lot of people that have those. It's a pretty popular mod, and you get about 5-6 hours of battery life out of those. These you get about 10, maybe 11 or 12. I don't know. I've used this. I never time myself. I should, I guess, but I've used it for quite a while and haven't changed the batteries. I've had it for about 2 weeks. I've taken it to work, carried it around, went out traveling around town with it, and it works consistently. Won't leave you stranded. Okay, then the potentiometer is right there. Got to use a little screwdriver to get in there. My same always gripe. I wish they would the modders would figure out some way to make them, when they make them, that you could use your fingers to adjust them and not have to have a screwdriver. But that's just my personal thing. You know what? I guess if I'm worried that much about it, don't get it, or design my own, right? Okay, how's it vape? I'm using a 4.5 ohm cartomizer in this tank. very consistent vape. Vape's nice. It does, it's like any variable voltage device. It does whatever voltage you put through. And that was a 4.5 ohm cartomizer. Here, let's do a standard resistance. Let's put another Finiac tank. Let's put a 3 ohm cartomizer on it. And let's see how that vapes. Let's turn it down just a hair. Had that on 5.4. This is real touchy. I'm just gonna kind of go, because I've used it. You don't have to adjust it very much. That should get us down to around 4 something. Good vapor production. I like the way these things work. They work very well. All right, let's try something a little different. Let's go to a dual coil 1.5 ohm atomizer. That way we can see. Let's adjust this down with our meter. Oop, that's the wrong down. Okay. Let's go with 4.2 on our low resistance addy. Put on the reactor tank. With a cool looking skull drip tip. How cool is that? Can't get that any cooler than that, huh? I got that from Empire Mods. And the reactor tank came from, if you're interested in an atomizer tank, got it from inhaler.com. Great vapor, great flavor. Give that another toot. So it works well on that. And let's try something a little different yet. Have a 801 Fusion cartomizer with the 801 adapter to 510. Little tank. This is an 801 Fusion cartomizer tank that I got from Texas Select Vapor. And it's just a little tank. It only holds like 1.5 mil or 2 mil or something like that. It doesn't hold very much, but it's a kind of cool little tank just to go out and run around with. And it comes with the adapter, and so you can screw it onto a 510. And I like the way these Fusion cartos work. See, there's a works good. I think the resistance on that is like 2.8 ohms if I remember right, or 2.4 something, but I'm not sure. Okay, that's just a fairly quick review of the variable voltage Slim Woody from Maximum Vapors. And there'll be a link posted below where to get it. We'll put the lid on. See, you can see it's a nice looking mod. Nothing wrong with it at all. Like I said, well, I guess there's something wrong with that. That's why I got it for free. But I'm sure the one you ordered wouldn't have the defects that mine has. They have stuff that's in stock, and they ship that right away. Or if you get it, if you order something that's not in stock, custom made, they have several different types of wood. I mean, you could get it all coca-cola, or you could get it walnut and light ends. I mean, there's a whole bunch of different combinations. You can kind of tailor it to whatever you like. They got a stainless steel button you could get put on there. That one looks pretty nice. It's a more recessed button. It doesn't stick out as much, but I kind of like that horn button sticking out there personally. But that's me. And they're well made. Haven't had any issues. They do repair them there. And I've met the owner, Todd. He's and his wife. They're pretty good people, and he's pretty dedicated to making quality products, not putting junk out there. Let's see. Like I said, I was getting at, if you order one, don't be in a hurry. It takes them a while to send it out and have the box made and get it back and put it together. And the guy does it himself, so if you don't mind waiting a while and you want a really nice handmade box mod, this is one to consider. And if you're in a hurry, grab you one that's in stock and it'll ship out to you right away. And that's about all I can say about this. And everybody, keep on vaping.